Yoga is a wonderful practice that can be used for many different benefits. The simple yoga poses used in this video will help strengthen, stretch, and calm your entire body. If you are wondering how to begin yoga, here are 9 beginners-friendly yoga poses to help get you started from the comfort of your home. Let's start with these basic yoga poses. The first one is the plank pose. To do plank pose, place your hands by your sides and press up into tabletop pose. Tuck your toes under and straighten your legs, lifting your body into plank pose. Maintain a flat back, maintaining a strong position with your gaze down. Keep your shoulders over your wrists. Hold in position. The second one is the mountain pose. Stand up with feet together, toes touching and heels slightly apart. Stand tall with soft knees. Keep your spine strong by engaging your abs and lower back muscles to help maintain good posture. Lift your chest and pull your shoulders up and back with your arms by your side. The third one is the downward facing dog. Begin face down on your mat. Place your hands beside your chest. Lift your hips up high. Straighten your legs and lift your hips as high as you can. Try to reach your heels down. Press your weight into your hands, keeping your back as flat as you can. The fourth one is the Sphinx Pose. To do Sphinx Pose, lay on your mat, belly down, and bring your arms forwards. Bring your shoulders over your elbows, pressing your hands into the ground. From here, lift your chest up and press your navel down into the floor. Squeeze your glutes and hold in position. The fifth one is the Warrior One pose. To do Warrior One, stand in the center of your yoga mat and take a wide stance. Rotate your right foot so that it points towards an end of your mat. Rotate your hips and bring your left foot in slightly but not fully forwards. With your body facing the same direction as your right foot, take your body weight forward slightly. The sixth one is the bridge pose. To do bridge pose, lay on your back with your feet hip-width apart. If you can touch your heels with your fingertips, you are in the correct position. Lift your hips up towards the sky as high as you can. The seventh one is the bound angle pose. Start by sitting on your yoga mat. Bring your feet in so that your soles are together. Bring your heels in close to your body and let your thighs fall gently. Take hold of your big toe and sit up tall. The eighth one is the extended child's pose. To do extended child's pose, come into tabletop position with hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Take your big toes and place them together. Now shift your weight back and gently sit you into your feet. You can take your knees wider if it's more comfortable. Inhale, reach your hands forwards. The last one is the cat-cow pose. To do cat-cow, start in tabletop pose. Wrists under your shoulders and knees directly under your hips. Take your shoulders away from your ears and look down between your fingers. Inhale and tilt tailbone up. Drop your belly down towards the ground and lift your head up. Exhale and do the opposite. Tuck your tailbone under and round your back. Start your yoga journey today with these 9 simple yoga poses. Do subscribe for more.